Nice and full, and what a start! Beautiful straight drive. A nice way to welcome Sridharan Sriram. Down the ground. Even a mistimed shot from Sanju Samson goes easily for 6, and that's the first 6 of the innings.
But still got maximum. That's how good Sanju Samson's swing is. And that's how...
On the pads, and he will get another boundary. A fantastic... Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Timing has been fantastic. A hard hitter of the ball, but this time he has relied on his timing. And this time it's hard. We spoke about timing, but no timing this time, just brute power.
Overnight rain as well. So I expect the ball to hold a little bit on the surface early on. But that time it was well simple, uncomplicated action. Good control and another terrific sweep shot.
And that really hurts. Really hurts the young bowler.
That's in the air, and that goes away for a 4 as well. That was deliberate. Slower delivery, picked up early, down the ground, a couple of bounces, and it's another 4. That's another fine hit. Just how beautifully he gets into position and presents that full phase of the bat. 3 consecutive 4s, the Kochi Blue Tigers making merry in the middle. Yeah, that's a lovely strike once again. Work to do for the fielder at long on. He's done well. Will it just touch? Oh, I feel this is going to be a 4. On the clash as well beyond the boundary ropes.
Once again, neatly open. They're just dangerous signs now. Sanju Samson changing his gears here once again. With Govind Pai, but here he's just got the better of a Vinoop. First ball he tried to go for a switch hit, but here the umpire feels that he's adjacent.
In a very strong position.
Once again throwing that wonderful start, Vinoop Manoharan. The short ball nicely clipped this time. The ball racing. Wonderful strike here.
On the favour today. What a delivery. That came in sharply and breached the defence of Sally. That's a lovely ball by Praveen.
Gap created. Looked to play it on the offside. Should have rather looked to play it down the ground. Just that Rakesh yet to come. This time he tries to go down the ground. It looked like he didn't get enough, but such is the class of this match.
Effortlessly he just dispatches the ball to all parts of the ground. Yeah, for a brief moment it looked like he had mistimed it. Maybe got
the insights, coach. Over to you.
Yeah, good hit. Welcome back, and Sanju Samson has welcomed us back in the commentary box with a lusty blow.
Right out of the screws. Pitched up. Just allowed him to get underneath it. And got max.
Straight down the ground, powerfully hit. And it'll be another 6 for Sanju Samson. He's turning it on. Kerala Cricket League. Oh, almost knocked them. Non-striker. And this is his second half century to go with his 100. He's been in fantastic form, and his commitment towards this tournament has been spectacular. Well played, Sanju Samson.
Yeah, terrific innings.
Yes, he's tried to go big, and he will get a boundary. Good batting, good use of the bottom hand to open the face the last minute. Come in, and he bowls a full toss, and he has just launched it into the stand. Sanju Samson, poor delivery. You cannot bowl that to Sanju, and gets the treatment rightly deserved. Really go big, and he does try. Good effort in the deep. Very good effort, but that goes for 4. The first ball of the over. Another feeder outs for. And that makes it easier for him to go on the offside, but he will perish in the deep. Good planning and good bowling by Abhijit Praveen. And this time, Sanju Samson has to go for a well-made 62.
Samson, even though he sort of had a shimmy towards the offside, wanted to go over cover, and the moment he hit it, he knew it wasn't good enough. Straightforward catch in the deep. Abhijit Praveen exults.
And this time it's caught behind. No review required. Good decision by umpire Shankar and Alfie. the review, and this time a clear nick.
This one was wider. Wanted to go after it. Held the outside edge. Simple catch.
Yeah, he's miscued this one. That'll go over the wicketkeeper for a 4. Never in control of the shot. He gives the charge. Another edge, another 4 behind the wicket. 2 boundaries coming.
Going in the way of Kochi Blue Tigers, but this is a high-class hit by Jobin. Clean striking, stepping out and really putting Praveen's bowling under pressure.
He's got a lot of height on this one and a lot of distance as well.
In length, just found that clean bat swing of Jobin. This time it was the turn of a long on.
Yeah, the slow delivery picked up over long gone. He turns spectator, and this man Jobin, one of the youngest cricketers, the 18-year-old, is certainly garnering some attention with his ball striking. This time it's Nikhil's turn. He gets an edge. He's got a couple of boundaries going that side, but he won't complain. This is turning out to be another costly over. Smartly done. Nikhil Totad knows his field and he's playing around with the fielders as well.
Yeah, the Kochi Blue Tigers really should back themselves for a wonderful finish here.
Yeah, he's looking good this afternoon. One of the best hits we've seen all day. Find me a better shot than that. Nikhil Totad has looked sublime.
First 2 deliveries and 10 runs have already come off the 19th over.
Yeah, his pace is... Yeah, it's not quite middle. This should be taken at long off. Salam has the last laugh. He sends Jobin, who was trying to just find that big hit once again. This partnership of 56 comes to an end.
Just a low full toss doing the trick. Times a low full toss is so hard to clear those longish boundaries easily. Ours in length. Misses that Yorker. And wonderful striking here from Ashik.
Yeah, he's hit that hard. They'll push for 2. Nicely fielded. They'll get 1, and this means that the Kochi Blue Tigers, after being put into bat, will finish on 191 for 5. It's been a very fine batting effort by Nikhil Totad towards the end, and a very fine start as well with Vinup and Samson stitching 68 for the first wicket. Batting side put into bat, Sanju Samson is scoring runs by the heap. He got to 62 in 37, nicely supported by Vinup, who hammered 42. They stitched a 68.
The star of the bowling card was Abhijit Praveen. 3 wickets for 39 runs. Abdul Basit also did wonderful. Forgettable outing once again for Basil Thampi.
Nicely stopped behind the stumps. Nikhil Totad, he's just scored 45 runs. He's looking good behind goal 2. Yeah, he's gone aerial. This fielder coming underneath that. He'll take some catching, and that's a brilliant pouch. I'll tell you what, it is not going to be easy because he had to run a lot of distance. He had to keep in mind the rope as well. But he's done exceptionally well, Mohammad Ashik. And this means Krishna Prasad, the captain, will once again have to depart for the score of 1.
But then Mohammad Ashik, eyes on the ball.
Wow. Bit of a tickle. They are celebrating. Jobin strikes. Bashir has to depart without scoring. Adani Trivandrum Royals in deep trouble in this chase. They're 2 for 2.
Form slashing outside the off stump, a little early into the shot. And a good safe catch. Not
Cut away. That's in the gap. First boundary here for the Adani Trivandrum Royals from the bat of the captain Krishna Prasad.
smacked and clobbered for a fantastic boundary.
On side. And he goes up and over, and that will go the distance as well. The first 6 in this chase coming from the bat of Sanjeev.
Decent pace in the ball. And yes, slowly getting...
Everything's working for him. Oh, just overshot there. That'll be 4 more. Good end to the over. Yeah, cries of catches. That's up and over. Couple of bounces. That'll go away for a boundary as well. Good start to the over. Yeah, he literally drops. He's picked that up. And that'll go in the top and middle order. Nicely played. He's accessed the gap beautifully. That'll run away for a 4. That's a fine hit by Sanjeev.
You make him wait. That is a terrific strike. Krishna Prasad. He stepped up with the ball.
That's in the gap. Some footwork. And that will tickle away for a 4. Nicely worked away. That'll be 4. So back-to-back boundaries. Lovely strike. Stood tall on this one. And he gets the distance here.
Yeah, look at that. That time the stride was even longer. He got even low at point of release. It was in the slot and terrifically put away by...
He's miscued this one. Should be a catch. Straightforward one. Should be taken, and it's been pouched as well. Nicely done by Mohammad Ashik. Wicket here for PS Gerran.
On the stroke of drinks. Last ball of the over. You never take a chance of the last ball of the over. Krishna.
Yeah, this one's hit well, and that is all the way maximum. Exactly what was required.
Just unfurling. Slight room on offer there and gleefully accepted.
Yeah, that's what he was looking for, and he gets it. The last ball of this over. It sailed all the way. That's one way to bring up your half century. Brings it up in some style. He's been prolific, lost those wickets, but held his nerves to get to his half century. End of the over, 103 for 3. Yeah, he waited for that. He's hit that in the gap. Work to do, and is it that straight? Is it that strong? And he will get a feed up ball. What a shot. It was slow, it was waiting to be hit, and he struck that well.
Yeah, down the ground. Work to do for the field at long gone. He'll give up. Yeah, he's just taking that front foot forward and decided to go over. Poor fielding. He's picked his spot to perfection here, Abdul Basit. Yeah, that's much better. Gets an under edge. That's 4 more. Abdul Basit wins this contest against Afrad. This should be taken. And it's been pouched as well. Nicely done. And it's Sanju Samson there at long off who pulls off a very fine catch by the end of it. Sanjeev will have to depart. Good break here for the Kochi Blue Tigers.
Sanjeev Satheesan trying to open up the offside, only ending up slicing it. Sanju Kerala.
Yeah, that'll go over. Much needed 6. This makes life easier now in the chase. Just how good 1 6 and 1 4 can do in a chase like this when the contest is so close.
Oh, it's gone through. Ashik.
And why not? How did I miss that, says Nikhil M.
That's what pressure.
He's got enough bat to get a boundary. That's a good end to the over. Slower delivery. He's lost shape on this. He gets an edge. And that'll run away for a 4 for starters. What a delivery. Abdul Basit. I think he's struggling. Lovely stuff here by Nikhil Totad. Lovely delivery. The Kochi Blue Tigers.
Shot. And Abdul Basit is well short of his crease. He's got piece of work from Nikhil Totad as well. Third umpire's decision comes here that it's out. Abdul Basit has to make the long walk back. He's played a good hand, 41 of 27. And Nikhil Totad was up to the task. Now look at that, swift.
He'll fetch a boundary, but it'll only add to the total. It won't really create an impact in the result.
To finish formalities, Jobin Jovi does well. He's defended 20 of the last over. And the Tigers have won this game by 9 runs. The Royals finished with 182 for 6. And the 5th loss of this season. The Kochi Blue Tigers will take their 4th win of the tournament and may well go on top of the table. Disappointment for the Royals. Krishna Prasad, as always, fought hard. 36 of 29. Sanjeev Satheesan made 70 of 46.
Again, as always, amongst wickets, 2 for 44 for him. But it was all possible because Sally Sampson was brilliant, not just with the economy but the wickets. 13 dots.